We often say at SF State that our students get an extraordinary education despite the facilities. Jason Porth, Vice President for University Enterprises. So we have two projects that are currently nearing either construction or about to start construction. One is our Liberal and Creative Arts Building. These state-of-the-art facilities will include mixing studios, sound studios, and a place for radio, as well as classrooms for learning and for our students to enjoy being in as well. This project will be on the eastern side of what we call Tapia Triangle. With SF State now surrounding both sides of Tapia, it makes sense to incorporate it into the campus. And we've had some early discussions with the city about this, but the city needs to make sure that they're getting something of value for that. And so we're looking at different ways to approach that valuation and what might be a fair exchange. It's about $56 million that's coming from the California State University, and that, of course, comes from the state of California. About $3 million from SF State, and about $20 million that we're putting out via a loan process, which will ultimately be repaid, and we ultimately expect that it will be funded through philanthropic support. For quite some time, although today's the groundbreaking, we've been working on this project for years and years and years, and what a joyous day it is. We believe that there are community members, alumni, foundations, and others who will take to the ideas of what we're trying to get done in this building, and who will very eagerly want to support it.
I think it's wonderful. Anytime you can have something new on this campus where we have so many kids trying to get out of here and graduate on time, having a new building gives you that notion of, hey, I can actually get out of here. As far as associated students are concerned, anything that helps the students is something that we're for.
This new building will provide the creative spaces and new academic media technology that will allow another young woman to pursue her career in media, just like the previous BECA building has done for me. What this new building represents is a chance for the new generation of BECA students to launch their careers and leave their mark here at San Francisco State and on the world. And a few more BEA and Emmy awards couldn't hurt. Thank you.